We will begin with the practice of sitting meditation, the heart of mindfulness practice. It is best when practicing meditation to find a comfortable and safe place where you will not be interrupted and to wear loose, comfortable clothing. You will want to sit in an erect posture with a straight spine. You may sit on a straight-backed chair or on the floor with your legs crossed. Allow your body to be supported by your bones, the sit bones in the pelvic floor, your spine, and the shins in your legs, so that the rest of you may let go. Sitting meditation is an opportunity for us to shift from our habitual mode of constant doing and thinking to a place of non-doing, a mode of simply being, allowing yourself to simply be. Just sitting and breathing, allowing the mind and body to quiet. In sitting meditation, we are simply allowing our bodies and minds to get still and quiet as we focus on the breath. There is no right or wrong way to breathe, although you will find that breathing more deeply into the belly rather than shallowly into the chest allows for a deeper experience. Try inhaling and exhaling through the nose. However, if breathing through the mouth is more comfortable for you than breathing through the nose, that is fine as well. Some people enjoy the sound of their breathing and use the sound of the breath as a meditative tool, while others prefer to use silent breathing. You may experiment with both to see what works best for you. And so, allow your body to get still and simply bring your awareness to the breath. Become aware of your breathing as it enters and exits the body. There is no right or wrong way to breathe. Simply breathing. Sensing how good the breath feels to the body and the mind as it moves through you. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Not trying to do anything or achieve anything. Just being with your breath and with yourself. You may choose to allow your breathing to deepen, to move more into the belly, noticing the rise and fall of the belly as you breathe in and breathe out. Notice the softening of the belly with the breath. Just giving your full attention to each in-breath and each out-breath. Breathing in, I know that I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know that I am breathing out. breathing in and breathing out. You may find that your mind will begin to wander as you sit in meditation. And when it does, simply notice it and gently bring your attention back to your breath without criticism or frustration. Easily and gently bring your attention back to the breath, back to your center with compassion and loving kindness. Letting your thoughts come and go as they will, and simply bringing your awareness back to your breathing, riding the waves of your breath, breathing in and breathing out, returning as many times a minute as needed to the breath, to your center. Breathing in and breathing out. And so, every time you find that your mind has wandered to thoughts, emotions, or physical sensations, simply note where your mind went and gently bring your attention back to your center, using your breath as a path to stillness. And so you begin to observe yourself and your mind from this quiet place, witnessing its patterns, without judging it or reacting to it, just noticing and then returning to the breath. Simply returning to the breath as it arises and dissolves in the body. And so you may notice that your awareness now encompasses both the body and the breath in sitting meditation. An awareness of your body as a whole as it works in divine harmony with the breath, breathing in and breathing out. Allowing the body to breathe itself. No need to control or influence. Allowing the breath to simply flow with your awareness, riding on each inhalation and exhalation. Simply sitting and being, fully present, moment to moment. allowing yourself to be nourished by the stillness and the silence of your sitting meditation, dwelling in the peace that comes with mindfulness. And so, allow yourself to receive the benefits of your meditation practice today, breathing in and breathing out. And when you are ready, you may begin to gently wiggle your toes and fingers as a signal to your mind-body that you are now ready to end your meditation practice for today. And so slowly, you may begin to move your body, your head, and stretch in any way that you desire. And when you are ready, you may gently open your eyes with soft eyes, coming fully back into the room.